This video is about how heat affects the states of water. Without heat, water could not go from a solid, what we call ice, to a liquid, what we call water, to a gas, what we call water vapor. In this picture, you see solid water or ice in the beaker. The water molecules are moving very slowly, just vibrating back and forth just a little bit because they don't have much energy. The only way to get them to move faster is by adding some energy. It's like when you get extra energy, you move more. When I turn on the heat energy, you should see the molecules start to move faster and spread apart. So right down at the bottom, you'll see the molecules in the liquid water moving faster than the molecules in the solid ice. Now this is the solid turning into a liquid. Now if we keep adding heat energy, you'll see the water molecules moving faster and faster. So the more heat energy we add, the faster these water molecules are moving, and then the ice changes into a liquid. Now eventually, the molecules are going to have so much heat energy and are moving so fast that they have spread really far apart and can't be in the liquid state anymore. And this is going to be the liquid water turning into gas or water vapor. So now the water molecules are moving real fast and they're getting ready to spread so far apart they can't be in the liquid state anymore. And you see they rise up as water vapor. Now, none of these phase changes could have happened without getting the molecules to move faster. And that could not have happened without adding heat energy. Now I'm going to play the video again. And this time I want you to also watch the temperature at the top, right there, and see what happens. When the heat energy is added, something funny is going to happen. Notice that the temperature does not change even though the solid is changing to a liquid. It seems like it should change. Well, it doesn't change because while water is still in the form of ice, all of the heat energy is going into breaking the bonds of the ice molecules. And only when all of those bonds of the ice are broken can the heat then go to making the water hotter and hotter and hotter. So now there's no more ice. And notice that the temperature now can start rising. And this is going to happen all the way until these molecules are moving so fast and spread so far apart they can't be in the liquid state anymore. And you're going to see the same thing happen with the temperature up here. Eventually it's going to get to a temperature where it will not rise anymore. Notice that while the water changes to a gas, the temperature stays at 100 degrees. And that's why liquid water can only be between 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius.